How you doing? My name is Pernell Jefferson, and over the course of this semester, we talked about leadership styles. And here I'm here to discuss them with you and present this slideshow to you. Let's start with trade approach. Um, that's not trade approach. Trade approach. This taught me that certain leaders are just born with different traits, and they act off those traits that they've were born with. Like people all grow up different, so people like different things and hate different things. Skills approach. This one shows that you need skills and knowledge and abilities to be an effective leader, which I personally don't agree with because if you want to lead, you can lead. You don't have to be the smartest person in the room to lead a group of people. Behavioral approach. This one, I personally am not a fan of because you can have different behaviors towards things and still lead a certain group of people. Transformational leadership. I like this one a lot. This style encourages, inspire, and motivate people in order to grow. I like this one because it can create a change for people to help them for the future and shape for success. Like with a little motivation and encouraged by people, you can grow for the best. Authentic leadership. Um, I reflect on this one a lot because I think this is me for dealing with Hurricane Katrina. Uh, this kind of helps me help others when they ask about um, what did the hurricane, how was the hurricane, how did it shape you? Especially when people are dealing with possible hurricane situations, it helps me help them, on explaining on how what they should do, what they can do, and just to help them get through the situation. Servant leadership. I would say this one is more so me, but it isn't the healthiest of them all. For instance, like it says, people who care to serve more than they care for themselves. That's not healthy at all, but it's just the way I was raised. Adaptive leadership. This person is always prepared for anything life throws at them. Like you can never hit them out of left field because they'll always be ready. They'll make a big problem into a small problem just that quickly. Situational leadership. This leader has the power to motivate and support their follower to help ensure they go into the right direction. Um, just with a little support, you can change a person's mind and help them be a better person for themselves. Path goal theory. This one I didn't understand in the beginning, but overall, it helps you put a person on their right path, because a person could be on the wrong path and doing something they don't really feel comfortable doing. But this one helps them get on the best route for them and helps them with success in the future. LMX theory. This one is a relationship based approach that focuses on how to help their followers. This is a more face to face contact approach that, you know, helps you get to know a person better and learn their talents and their strengths. Leadership ethics. This person is a person who, if they believe it's right, it's right. I mean, not it's right, but if they believe it's the right thing to do, they'll do it no matter what. No matter if there's a lot of people there or they're alone, they'll do it. Team leadership. This one is tough because it can help you adapt. It teaches you to learn how to adapt to different leadership styles, and that's hard to do. Gender leadership. Society thinks that women can't lead when in actuality they can lead just as good as men. And I think that's the main thing we should exploit over the course of, life. And last but not least, culture and leadership. Um, I take um, this is also going against me because as an African American male, I tend to do different things as other people, especially being from the South, because we were all raised different, especially coming into the Midwest. But um, overall, the practice and the patterns I do, being from the South and being African American male, are different from being up here in Nebraska. And thank you for watching.